Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACBFF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it several times last week, and after today's price movement, definitely another update needs to be made. Started off the week with the gap up, and then after the gap, the price was able to maintain those gains, which is always a good sign of strength in and of itself. So one of the newest areas of support, and what I would consider the ideal level, we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $6.90. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price falls below $6.90, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can actually manage to stay up above $6.90, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, and I realize for those of you that have watched the past videos, you've heard me talk about this level time and time again, and I'm going to continue to talk about it because it really does make monitoring the overall chart very straightforward. And that's the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the very basic yet highly effective way to measure the health of the overall price movement, the strength of the overall movement, is just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Sure, staying up above 690 would be great, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are 100%, no doubt about it, fully in control and own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, key level right now, right up around $7.25. That's where the party stopped, kind of late afternoon here, so that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But as I've said in past videos and going to continue to say, resistance levels really don't matter, because as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like this one's been doing, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and sit back and continue to enjoy the overall uptrend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.